Most of our documents travel securely through the mail stream after being processed through offset, laser, or inkjet hardware modules. Experts can convert your existing product into something eye-catching with out-of-this-world response rates, as well as safe postage costs, delivering 2-up, 4-up, small or large formats. What makes it so special is that our pre-finished forms are for all audiences or industries, and can be very simple to value added, including remoist glue, return business card, ID laminate cards, die cut windows, and or pressure seal. These products can also be delivered to you in rolls, sheets, or fan fold. Any size mailing as a vehicle to communicate your message from direct mail to a confidential message about financial institutions, including things like credit memos, refinance advertisements, invoice about safety deposit box renewals, overdraft notices, account communication or announcements, mortgage plan change, PIN notices, proxy notices from investment groups, dividend updates or statements or CD renewal notices, and information about all kinds of checks in the form of class action suit rewards or refunds, payroll, AP, AR, and security features of all kinds, including watermark, specialty papers, thermochromatic ink, numbered or even barcoded if needed. In the governmental industry, there are so many applications, like personal property evaluations, jury summons letters or responses, licensing for business or automobile, boat, or motorcycle, 1099-G, tax refunds, W-2s or past due taxes, payroll checks, real estate taxes, notifications, or city newsletters. Education, creativity abounds in this market for universities or schools. You could have a 1098-T, year-end tuition interest, fraternity membership or letter, activity notice. How about a library card or a lunch card? Parking permits for your students or guests. Transcript receipts, credit transfers, grade reports, tuition invoices, class schedule, donation, scholarship, or alumni notification, and those always gilt labels. For utilities, there is always those necessary mailings for communication that have to meet high security thresholds for statements and billing, announcements, advertisements, coupons or specials, disconnection notices, past due notifications, or refund checks. How about bills like water, cable, sewer, garbage, TV, gas, electric, or phone? Create that document that looks great even for a dull drum necessity mailing, like cards of all varieties, laminate 8mm plus, punch out, integrated, or plastic or paper. How about general communication or plan changes, refund or overpayment checks, past due notices, premium invoicing, and policy renewal or changes. Healthcare. When your file requires documentation, you have to print pharmacy labels, prescription explanations, coupons, discount specials, ID cards or health plan renewals, store membership cards or discount cards, appointment reminders, product explanations, procedure order or laboratory instructions, invoice or billing, plus past due notices. Hospitality. The market tends to be colorful and have unique dies or cutouts, response rate effective, and postal regulation sensitive. Let us help you make something very special for your application needs, like vacation getaway promotions, hotel discounts, specials, or membership info, cancellation notifications, giveaways, sweepstakes, timeshare trip notices, restaurant locations or maps, banquet or meeting options, menus, birthday clubs, coupons, store or club membership promotions. Retail. Response rate sensitive. Get it opened with pressure seal in a unique format. There are statements, billing, invoices, rebate checks, returns, recall notices, coupon, gift cards, special discount information, store traffic discounts, rewards or general communication, store membership cards, seminar, class, or demonstration notices, finance options, and price reduction promotions. Direct mail. This type of mailing is much better than a telemarketing calling your cell phone 3 times a day. We are only limited by your or my imagination in such things like vacation giveaways or vouchers, scratch-off winners, store match games, store traffic increases, sales notifications, political campaign donations, membership renewals, service reminders, notifications or warranty renewals, auto and home refinance. If you can dream up the concept, we can figure out how to get it mailed no matter what the industry. Be your innovative print and finishing manufacturer who produces and delivers pre-finished forms to you.